What is up, people? I know it's been a very long time since we've posted up a update video on the Stag. This is going to be probably the 4th time I've been over there. We're only working on the Stag 1 day a week because me and my brother are both busy, so we can only fit a few hours a week, maybe 4 to 5 hours a week on the Stagea. So we're just putting the engine back together, but along the way there's like seals that we need to buy and little things, you know, little things. I broke a cam cap on the exhaust side of the cam, and lucky for the boys out at Stag Pit Gold Coast, they always have parts ready, so they're the ones who provided us head gasket and some ARP head studs. So big shout out to the boys at Stag Pit. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it, and I'll probably just show you what we've been up to, and we'll go from there. Hopefully in the next video we can either put the engine in and get it started, but for today it's just going to be a video update on where we are up to and a bit of the work that we're going to do today. So let's go. What's up, guys? It's been a very long day today. We're just finishing up with Theusoway, and basically this is where we are finishing off. Got the valve covers on, fuel rail, injectors, and then we got the transfer case, the extractors, the turbo, and yeah, this is pretty much where we are gonna finish off this video, and hopefully in the next one we can go and put it in. So we got our rear main seal, just gonna wait for us to bring the crane over from my house, and can't wait, man, but happy with that. So let's go, see you in the next one.